like that new car smell, you know? But except it's new hair.
Man up for them say them with the thing, and them out behind your back for try clip. You ain't know that. I posted them from them this to them. You couldn't see already, so them answer the shit for sing. Fool them just attack it, but all them do attack shit. What them need to do was switch them out into some happy. No for them I sell out, what's them the super.
What's up guys, it's your girl lilyalecia. Welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Now today it's going to be a unboxing initial review of some 613 hair that I ordered off of Arabella. Now they did have a sale. It was 60% off. I'm not sure if they're still having it or if it's still going on right now, but you guys can go ahead and check it out. It will be in the description box down below. So it did come through FedEx. This is a little pouch thing with, I guess, some goodies. So we're gonna go ahead and open that up. What comes in there is a nice little edge brush. You know, gotta lay your edges. I'm guessing this is like a cute little headband. It comes with a clip. You know, very useful when you land on your wig. Oh, it comes with some wig caps. Now, everybody who wears wigs know that we need this, okay? And this might be a little bright, but of course, makeup is gonna fix that. That's what comes in that little bag. And this little pouch is cute too. And it says Arabella. So this is what the hair comes in. Cute little pink box that says Arabella. So I actually got 4 bundles and a frontal. So the bundle deal with the frontal was 26, 24, and a 22 with a 20-inch frontal, 13x4 frontal. I decided to get another bundle. So I did go ahead and order another 24, and that came up to $210 with the sale. Let's go ahead and get into the hair. Well, these are the 224s. It says 24 right there, and it says 24 right there. I'm just gonna open up one of them. And if you guys hear like little sniffles in the background, my son is laying down right there. So if you guys didn't know, yes, I do have a son. So this is what the bundle looks like. This is a 24. Okay. Double wefted. Body wave, of course. Okay. So that's the ends. Now the hair is very soft. Oh, I got one strand. So this is the other 24. Now the bundles to me, like the actual bundles itself, is pretty thick for the length. But yeah. So that was the other 24, and now this is the 22 inch. Okay. Now, for some reason, this 22 feels a little bit softer than the other ones. Oh my God, I just love the smell of new hair. This is a 26 inch. Now, you can see it right there. It says 26. I'm just gonna take it out of its little netting, and it does come with a net if you guys didn't know. Okay. Now this is the 26 inch. Now, I don't know. You guys can compare, but I feel like the 26 is definitely bigger than the 24. This is a 26 and this is a 24. Now, it's even. And when I stretch it, that was a 24 that just popped up. And now this is a 26. Now I am going to go ahead and make this in a wig, like I stated before, but I am going to tone this hair, but I'm not going to tone it with an actual toner. I'm going to use the Shimmer Lights Purple Shampoo, and stay tuned for that video because I will be dropping that very, very soon. Okay, so make sure you guys turn your post notification bells on for that video. So that's how it looks, and these are all 4 bundles. Ooh. They're all 4 bundles. Okay. Now, those are the bundles. And now we're going to get to this frontal. So I got a 20-inch frontal. Like I said, all of the specs on the hair will be in the description box down below. So this is the 20-inch frontal. It's a 13 by 4 20-inch frontal. I did want a 13 by 6, but they didn't have, so I settled for a 13 by 4. We're gonna make it work. Okay, so this is how it is. Y'all know that the frontal comes folded up. All right, and this is the beautiful, luxurious frontal. It does come with some baby hairs, but this is really not baby hair. Like, this is really long for it to be baby hairs. So this is what it looks like. 13 by 4. You get a nice, probably a good amount of parting space. It looks like it's pre-plucked. I want to say that it's pre-plucked, but I mean, it's blonde hair, so you can't really tell. I am going to be coloring the roots, not black, but it's going to be dark brown, but not too dark. So this is what the hair looks like. What the frontal looks like, I'm sorry. Don't mind me, y'all. I just like doing this to my frontals to see how it looks. See, I'm not going to look good with just straight blonde hair. These roots have to be black. So that was the initial review for this Arabella 613 hair. Unboxing initial review for the Arabella 613 hair. If you guys are interested on how I colored this hair, that video will also be in the description box down below. So you guys can go ahead and check that video out. Stay tuned for my next video on this gorgeous hair. I'm just so excited about this hair, guys. I never had 613 hair before, so we're gonna see how this gonna turn out. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.